Folks, I've witnessed the incredible journey of cars, from the days when they were noisy, gas-guzzling machines that filled the air with smoke, to the sleek, high-tech wonders we see on the roads today. Back then, owning a car was all about horsepower, chrome, and the roar of the engine. Today, it's about innovation, efficiency, and a vision for a cleaner future. For decades, gasoline engines ruled the roads, powering everything from family sedans to muscle cars. Gas stations were everywhere, and the smell of fuel was part of daily life. But now, we're in the middle of an electric revolution that's changing everything we thought we knew about driving. Electric cars, EVs, are popping up on every street, and every major automaker is racing to join the movement. It's not just a few niche brands anymore, it's a global shift. Interestingly, this isn't the first time electric vehicles have made headlines. Back in the early 1900s, EVs were actually quite popular, especially in cities. But as gasoline engines improved and infrastructure grew, gas-powered cars took over for nearly a century. Now the tables are turning again, the momentum is shifting back to electric, and this time, it feels unstoppable. People everywhere are demanding cleaner, smarter cars. Concerns about pollution and climate change are pushing us to rethink what we drive, and finally, technology has caught up to our ambitions. Batteries are more powerful and last longer, motors are stronger and quieter, and EVs are now practical for daily life, whether you're commuting, running errands, or taking a road trip. Every week, it seems like there's a new electric car being unveiled, each one promising more range, faster charging, or wild new tech features that push the boundaries of what a car can be. These vehicles are more than just cars, they're computers on wheels, packed with smart features, intuitive controls, and connectivity that would have seemed like science fiction just a decade ago. This isn't a passing trend or a short-lived fad, it's a fundamental shift in how we move, how we think about transportation, and how we connect with our world. Environmental awareness, rapid advances in technology, and a new mindset about sustainability are all driving this change forward, faster than ever before. As a lifelong car lover, I can honestly say, this is the most exciting chapter yet. We're witnessing history in the making, and it's thrilling to be part of it. We're at the dawn of a new golden age for automobiles, one that's cleaner, smarter, and more connected than ever before. The electric era is here, and it's just getting started. The road ahead is full of possibilities, and the journey has only begun. One of the biggest reasons for the EV buzz, the environment. People everywhere are waking up to the impact our daily choices have on the planet, and switching to electric vehicles is one of the most powerful ways to make a difference. Gas cars burn fuel and pump out exhaust, bad for our air and our health. Every day, millions of engines release carbon dioxide and other harmful gases, which not only pollute the air we breathe but also contribute to climate change. EVs have no tailpipe, so there are zero emissions from the car itself. That means no more clouds of smoke trailing behind, and no more toxic fumes at street level. Imagine city streets without smog or fumes, just clean, quiet air. The difference is noticeable: clearer skies, fresher air, and a more peaceful city soundscape. That's a huge win for everyone, especially in crowded cities. Cleaner air means healthier lungs, more time outdoors, and a better quality of life for all. Some ask, but where does the electricity come from? Good question. The answer is changing fast, and it's more hopeful than you might think. More and more, it's coming from renewables like solar and wind. These clean sources are growing every year, making the electricity that powers EVs greener with every new solar panel and wind turbine. Even when power comes from traditional plants, it's often cleaner than millions of gas engines. Large power stations are more efficient and easier to upgrade with cleaner technology than individual cars. As the grid gets greener, every EV gets cleaner, without changing the car. That means your electric car can actually become better for the planet over time, just by plugging in. EVs move pollution away from our neighborhoods and help make our communities healthier. Less pollution means more kids playing outside, more families enjoying parks, and fewer days lost to illness. And as we build more solar and wind, the whole EV life cycle gets cleaner. From manufacturing to charging, every step is moving toward a lighter footprint on the earth. Every electric car on the road is a step toward a healthier planet. Each new EV means less oil burned, less pollution, and a brighter future for everyone. It's not just about today, it's about the future for our kids and grandkids. Cleaner air, and a stable climate are gifts we can pass on to the next generation. Cleaner air, less pollution, and a better world, that's the EV promise. It's a vision of cities where everyone can breathe easy and enjoy the outdoors. That's a powerful reason to plug in. By choosing an EV, you're not just driving a car, you're driving change for the planet. Step inside a modern EV and you'll see it's more than just a new engine. The dashboard is dominated by a giant touchscreen, your command center for everything. Control music, climate, navigation, and charging with a tap. Many EVs get over-the-air updates, so your car can improve overnight. No dealer visit needed. Smart navigation plans routes and charging stops for you, taking the guesswork out of road trips. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping are standard in many models. These are the building blocks for self-driving cars, and the tech is evolving fast. Cameras, sensors, and powerful computers are always learning, making driving safer and easier. Driving an EV feels more like managing a high-tech system than just steering a car. The future of driving is digital, connected, and always improving. With EVs, you're not just driving, you're piloting the next generation of mobility. Let's talk about the real fun, driving an EV. It's not just about saving on gas or being eco-friendly, it's about a whole new driving sensation that's unlike anything you've experienced before. The first thing you notice? Silence. There's no rumble, no vibration, just a calm, almost meditative quiet that fills the cabin. No engine noise, just smooth, quiet motion. It's almost surreal, like gliding through the world in your own private bubble. But don't be fooled. EVs are quick. The silence hides a surprising amount of power under the hood. Electric motors deliver instant torque, so acceleration is immediate. Tap the pedal, and you're off. No lag, no waiting for gears to shift. Merging onto highways or zipping away from stoplights feels effortless and exciting. You'll find yourself grinning every time you accelerate. The heavy battery pack keeps the car's center of gravity low, making handling stable in corners tight. You feel connected to the road, with confidence in every turn. The ride is comfortable for long trips and engaging on twisty roads. Whether you're cruising with friends or taking a solo adventure, it's always enjoyable. Many EVs offer one-pedal driving, lift off the accelerator, and the car slows down while recharging the battery. It's intuitive and makes city driving a breeze. Regenerative braking means less wear on your brakes and a smoother drive. You'll notice how much more relaxed your daily commute becomes. You can cruise in peace, have a conversation, or enjoy music without engine noise. The quiet cabin turns every drive into a relaxing escape. It's a refined, sophisticated experience that's hard to match. Every detail feels thoughtfully designed for comfort and enjoyment. Once you try it, you'll see why so many drivers are hooked. The combination of performance, comfort, and quiet is truly addictive. Easy and derive. Our dirty NOIs make every drive a thrill ride, quiet, quick, and fun. Every journey feels fresh, whether it's your daily commute or a weekend getaway. The future of driving feels fantastic. With an EV, you're not just getting from point A to B, you're enjoying every mile along the way.